Hello everybody, welcome to the topic of phenylpropanoids and related compounds. Phenylpropanoids are a diverse family of organic compounds that are synthesized by plants from amino acids phenylalanine and tyrosine. As you can see in the figure, the nucleus contains a benzene ring attached to a propene side chain. A benzene ring with a propene side chain is called monomer of phenylpropane. If two monomers join together, they form a lignan, which is a dimer, and three form a neolignan. Thus, lignans are dimeric phenylpropanoids with two C633 that is phenylpropanoids attached by the central carbon. Most of the natural lignans are oxidized at C9 position. Lignans are fiber-associated compounds found in many plants, families and common foods including grains, nuts, seeds, vegetables and drinks such as tea, coffee or wine. Plant lignans can be converted by the intestinal bacteria to enterolignans. These enterolignans have a wide biological activity including tissue-specific estrogen receptor activation and hence are very useful in treating breast cancers. These are some of the different types of lignans, the most common one being podophyllatoxin. Podophyllatoxin is present in dried roots and rhizomes of Podophyllum emode belonging to family Barbadeaceae. Emode is an Indian podophyllum variety found at higher altitudes in Himalayas. These are the roots of podophyllum. Podophyllatoxin is the lignan present. Podophyllum is used in Ayurvedic system of medicine to treat different ailments, and a semi-synthetic derivative of podophyllatoxin is these days used to treat Hodgkin's disease, which is cancer. Two species very well known, Podophyllum peltatum and Podophyllum hexandrum. There are a few differences, both are potent. There are a few minor differences between peltatum and hexandrum. Coumarin and other organic chemical compounds containing benzpyrone nucleus and the subclass of lactones. The name is derived from French term for tonka bean, which means caumaro. These are sweet odored compounds readily recognized by their odor and were used in perfumes. Soralia coralifolia is the crude drug which contains coumarins. It contains a number of chemical compounds including flavonoids, coumarins and monoterpenes. This is the picture of the plant Soralia. Thank you.